Hello, this is Yuma Deco, student ID 432111157. It's about 10:30 p.m. and this is for DECO1100 Project 1 Tetris, giant Tetris. So I was thinking of including some sounds using a little analog synth called a BC8. I've already recorded a few things, and to try to see if I could have some interesting sound effects, for when the blocks connect, disconnect, when they disintegrate, and so on and so forth. So I'm using a DJ set. You can see I can have some interesting sounds come out of it. Uh, so this is the small thing from the BC8 where I can put some effects. So this would be a good effect to have, like a brew kind of thing when the blocks actually connect. So let's put it back together. What I'll do is I'll just cue it in. So each time I press it, maybe this is not a good part to take. Okay, so cue it in. So it could be something like this. So when they attach, they get together and thing, and while the whole game is being played with the little rotary dial, and each of the players chooses the color, there could be some kind of a background sound going on that is used by that's pretty much simulated by all of the blocks together, as they have stereo speakers coming out of them, and they can work in unison, so you can have these strange kind of sounds come through as an ambient. So it is. And obviously, throughout the whole thing, maybe, trigger a few events with our movements. So it kind of stops the sound because someone has disconnected a Tetris block and someone else puts a block back in, and the sound goes back through. So yeah, these were just some of the experiments that I've made for Project 1. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time, thank you very much, to put it in practice.